Teddy Bear 2K17, and we are doing a noodle taste test. And I'm joined by...
Hello guys, it is Dab and Girls Lel 2K17.
Or Shiftmaster.
But soon I'll be changing my account to Shiftmaster 2K17, so today we're doing a taste test with
of noodles. Teddy Bear 2K17.
Yeah, I got the camera.
So today, in this video, I just wanted to let you know why I've changed my name to Teddy Bear. Do you remember when my name was Lad? I've changed it because my old name, I couldn't find a picture for it, but for Teddy Bear I could. So that's why I changed it. Okay, bros? Nice. Sweet, sweet.
So we got noodles. We never tasted
chicken noodles.
We never tasted these ones before.
Well, we think that it is chicken. So have chicken or vegetable? I'm not too sure. 3, 2,
we put
1.
salt in it.
This is its taste.
Chicken.
Good. That's very good.
It's nice.
And also, she didn't help with cooking it. I cooked it. My first time ever cooking with a stove.
Kind of went alright.
And glorious. They're blessed.
So, this is going to be quite a short video. So guys, we add the salt to it so it's nice flavour. Sometimes a bit plain. And they're very like proper noodles. Oh, very long. Mine are.
Very long.
His are. Show my camera. So guys, see you guys in the next video.
Look at them noodles. Teddy Bear, signing off.